Oh, the bus came. The bus came so early. Oh man, I come. It came. It's not even 7:30. Oh, I dropped my phone. Go. I dropped my phone. Go, Abigail. I guess we are the one that didn't come out early.
Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys me going to the bus stop. I'm going to school today. Guys, I don't know why I keep on forgetting to do vlog in the morning. I don't know why. But yeah. So my mom's upstairs. I'm just waiting for her to come down right now. You guys like my hair? I did my edges. Yesterday, I did it better. I don't know why today it's not looking good. See? I put some lip gloss on before, but I wiped it off because I was eating. My earrings, my hair. I brushed up my eyelashes. I have this cute little sweater. I have this black skirt. I have my shoes. Hey, Mom. She came upstairs now.
I love my bag. Mine is good. Let's keep inside.
Let me get you guys a full outfit. Okay, as you can see, my hair, I have my my school wristband cover. I have my jewelry, my sweater, my skirt, and my white shoes. See you guys at the bus stop.
Thank you, Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for everything that you've done for us, for goodness, for kindness, for protection. For waking up again this morning, we are so grateful for the opportunity that you give to us to see this family day. We are so grateful for your protection. We also love for your forgiveness of sin in any way that we have sinned against you, Lord. We ask that you forgive us our sin in Jesus' name. We commit today to your faithfulness, Lord. Whatever thing we can do today, Lord, Father, Lord, may your name be exalted in life. May you bless our coming out, may you bless our coming in. As I look at the back of the school, Lord, over how the blood of Jesus, let her have a good day today at school. Let everybody in the school have a good day today, Lord. We are so grateful for so many blessings that you have given unto us. We are so grateful for the help we breathe. We are so grateful for your love, for your care. We are so grateful for our family. We love you, Heavenly Father. And I'm so these things in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. Okay, let's bus stop, guys.
Let's go to the bus stop.
Put your book back. Is it going to rain? It's windy, breezy, as if it's going to rain. Oh, the bus came. The bus came so early. Oh man, I come. It came. It's not even 7:30. Oh, I dropped my phone. Go. I dropped my phone. Go, Abigail. I guess we are the one that didn't come out early. Take the paper towel and fill up when you guys are at the bus.
I love you.
I love you. Bye, Abigail. Bye. Have a good day today. Bye. Hey guys. Good morning, everyone. I know Abigail have already opened the vlog. She already greeted you guys earlier. That was a quick run. I think we came out a little bit late because the bus normally comes 7:30 at dot. Thank God my phone did not break. My phone fell. Thank God it did not break. Ooh, how you guys doing today? It's another day, guys. I feel more better today. Remember yesterday vlog, I was not feeling good. I wasn't feeling okay, but today, thank God I'm a little bit better today. I feel better. Last night what I did, after taking shower, I use aboniki aboniki rub to rub all over my body. I use it like a cream. I use it to rub all over my body. Like when I say my body is, but I didn't use it on my face, but the rest part of my body, under my feet, I use aboniki to rub every part of my body. Then I drank some night queen medicine. Yeah. Then now I woke up feeling more better. Yeah, feeling more better. Okay, let me take you guys along today. What I'm going to do today, I want to make some fish pie. Okay, I will make you some fish pie today. I'm not going to be jumping rope because my neighbor, she wanted to jump, because my neighbor normally jump with me Monday and Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, okay, but I don't have that strength, that energy to jump rope, and I want to make me fish pie also, because somebody placed an order. I have to do it so that I can be able to give them early, okay? But right now, let me go. I'll go up inside now, freshen up, then I'll start my day.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Let's go. Original bad man.
It's the kills.
Catching a vibe. Me and my guys, we just feeling alright. Feeling the groove, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one come down. We be going from short to short now. Stop having me on my knee, baby. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know that make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hit me when you see me, they want to know. Somebody me in the street to myself, will you make them? They got to go. Somebody me in the bed, my calm down. But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one for me, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me ready, every day they see me for me ready. Then they feel me, anytime they see me on the beat, they want me. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the book. Shit good. Man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, they can hear me when you see me now. They want to know. Somebody me in the street to myself, will you make them? They got to go. Somebody me in the bed, to my calm down. Original bad man.
It's the kills.
Standard. original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. It's what it baby.
It's VQs.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down.
Hey guys, yes, I am back. This is many hours later. I'm making fish roll, okay, as you can see. Another side also, okay, this is another side also for me. Somebody ordered this, I'm making it, and I still have more to do, okay. I make a video, I'll share a video on how I made this, okay. But first of all, let me finish up this. Abigail is back from school.
Hey guys!
She's back from school. I'm here making, I still have few left, okay? I'll see you guys when I'm done, okay?
But my music fire, we did drive them crazy. I want me one me for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them tell me if they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me ready, every day they play me for me ready. Then they feel me anytime they see me on the video. They want to, when me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake good. Man a bad man, they can try to steal. What my band is okay. Anytime they see original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man.
It's VQs.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle.
Hey guys, we are going to the volleyball game. We're running late anyway, but
What's the time?
5:26. It's at
It's
5
at
o'clock. No, 5 o'clock. There's another one, sis. That's the entrance now. Where are we going? That's the entrance. It's locked. They started playing. Come on, let's go see that. Abigail, come on. They've started. Who's that? Oh, okay. She said. They're winning a lot. I can't even see. My wig off right now, everybody will run away. Everybody will run. Like, we hope, we hope they will scatter. Thank you all for watching, guys. I'm here cheering up my daughter. They've won their first game right now. Now they are waiting for the second game. That one is another school. I explain right now. I think we have 4 different schools here. The white one, the white uniform is hey!
Let's go! Let's go, Falcons! Let's go!
Guys, the game is over. They won, guys. The game is over, guys. It was a beautiful game. They played, it was intense and beautiful. They played 2 schools and they won both of them. Okay, and we're just waiting for them to come out right now so that we can go home. I'm trying to look at my voice crack ball. Abigail was yelling. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go for go. Let's go. That was so screaming. Okay, guys, that's let me wait for Alessia to come so that Alessia will say hi to you. Go Falcons, let's go. Let's go, Nia. Let's go. Let's go, Nia. Let's go.
I wish we had a bus.
Maybe the time you guys will go to next when you. We are home. Is that what you want to eat? Me, I'm eating this rice. So. You don't want to eat rice? No. No? Yes. We are finally home. My girl is tired, as you can see. Let her see your tired face. Okay guys, I think I want to end the video here. Okay, let me eat. Thank you so much everyone for watching today's video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Bye everyone. Say bye to them.
Bye guys.
Yeah.